Good gracious alive. There's a lot of dead soldiers there. Oh, let me turn this around. There we go. A lot of dead soldiers there, man. What's going on, YouTubers? Mike Klein, my brother from another mother. What's going on? Hey, what's going on, Mr. 43? What's going on, Mr. Gatekeeper, Mr. 307, Mr. Boogeyman, Horizonte, Misionero, all your cats out there. I'm over here just slapping it together. Look at that bald head. Good gracious alive. Man, we got all kinds of tools out here, all messed up, man. My boy. Look at that. Look at that. Shotgun build. Good gracious alive. All right, man. Oh, we're having a blast over here, man. I'm gonna be cruising this baby soon. My homeboy, Mr. Peluche, say what's up. What's up to the folks
guys,
out
man?
there?
73, guys.
Mr. Peluche,
73.
you catch on Channel 9, a 715, and other channels that I'm not going to mention right now.
No,
that's a secret.
We're not ready for that one. We're not ready for that one.
That's right. But we're putting together the antenna right now. That's the last thing we got to do. But the amp is in, the radio is in, everything else is in. And, good grace. Look at that. We're going to put that bad boy up there. Oh, yeah, there go my Colossus up there. There go my Colossus. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, man, that's mad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're going to slap this baby together. Good now. All right. You guys, God bless. Mr. Fox, Mr. BT Express, Mr. DW, Dick Weed, indeed, Mr. Six Guns, and all my friends out there, Mr. JWB, God bless, take it easy, take care. Yo, shotgun, me and this mobile installing station got down.